Today we are going to be making a Thai quinoa chicken bowl. And this bowl is going to be packed with protein. It's going to have a lot of vitamins and minerals. We have a lot of vegetables, a fruit. Quinoa in particular has all the protein that you can get from a meat source. So it's going to be a really great dish for anyone in the house. For this dish, we are actually going to make our own Thai sauce, and it is going to be a peanut-based sauce. And if you have a Thai sauce that you prefer at the grocery store, feel free to just use that instead. Once you finish your dressing, you can set that aside. Next, we're going to make the bowl. So you're going to start with your quinoa. You'll just cook it based off of the directions on the back of the bag. And you're going to do 1 to 2 ratio for the quinoa. And just bring it to a boil and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And that's how it looks. And what we'll be adding to the bowl will be some shredded carrots, shredded chicken, shredded cabbage, broccoli, red pepper, and a little bit of cilantro. We'll get started. I'm going to use about a cup of broccoli, about a half of a red pepper, about 1/4 cup of cilantro, about a half a cup of cabbage, about a cup of carrots, pre-cooked shredded chicken from H-E-B, and I use about a half a container, less than about a half a pound, maybe 1 chicken breast. Then you just add the pre-made dressing or the dressing that you made and mix it all up. And garnish it with some sesame seeds.